Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss about this question. This question asked in KVS PGT Computer Science exam. So the question said that the page fault services time increase when no frames are free and two page transfer are required. Which of the following can be caused to reduce this overhead? So here the option given that page replacement policy, dirty bit, segmentation and paging. So I going to discuss about the each of the option, what is page replacement policy and what is dirty bit, what is segmentation and what is paging. So first start with paging. So paging is the concept that used in operating system. It's an important concept of operating system. It is the memory allocation technique. Okay, so in memory management there have two type of memory management technique. First is fixed memory management and second is dynamic memory management technique. And this fixed memory management and dynamic memory management technique comes under the contiguous memory management technique. Contiguous mean the memory allocate the CPU in sequential manner, one by one. And in non-contiguous memory allocation technique there have two type of non-contiguous memory allocation technique. First is paging and second is segmentation. So in the option 3 and 4, the segmentation and paging is comes under the non-contiguous memory allocation technique. So paging is the technique uh, where CPU have the where the logical address space is divided into pages by the compiler or memory management unit. And in segmentation, logical address space is divided into segments. And the the paging suffer from internal fragmentation, and segmentation, these schemes suffer from external fragmentation. And now next is page replacement policy. So replacement policy is means that it's it's the page when the page is not found in CPU, then that page replaced with the required pages. So there have lot of page replacement policy exist, like FIFO, first in first out, or optimal page replacement policy, and LRU, least recent used page replacement policy. So in page replacement policy there have term page fault. This situation occurred when the page is not found in this memory. So here, now next is dirty bit. Dirty bit is the things occur when no frames are exist or are free. No frames are free when two page transfer are required. At that time no frames are free. This is called dirty bit. So in dirty bit, when a transaction have read or write processes, but this read when the transaction T1, and there have two transactions like T1 and T2. If T1 needs to execute, at that time T2 read that processes, so the execution is not complete. So at that time dirty bit occurs. So the question said that the page fault services time increase when no frame are free and two pages transfer are required. And then the which of the following can be used to reduce this overhead? So we use dirty bit to reduce this overhead. So answer is the question is the 30 bit.